Redi Goat is an ancient and impoverished fishing village of 40,000 people on the coast of the Arabian Sea in Pakistan. The main source of livelihood for people here is subsistence fishing. I've had the opportunity to work here for many years for improving the health of Redi Goat's children. We've had programs over the years that provide primary health care to children over here, and through that we have reduced child mortality, but unfortunately not to the level that we had hoped or desired for. So currently 11% of children in Redi Goat who are born do not live to see their 5th birthday. I have built free primary health care for all the children of Redi Goat, supported by my research program through the Aga Khan University. But many children still die. Almost 11% of them do not live to see their 5th birthday. Why is this? It's because most of the child deaths in Redi Goat happen during the newborn period, the first 28 days of life. 70% of the children of Redi Goat die in the first month of life. And why do these deaths happen? It's because births occur at home in very unhygienic environments, delivered by family members or other unskilled care providers, as women of Redi Goat do not have access to quality birthing facilities.
रेडी के बच्चा इसलिए मरता है, इस लोगों को पहला है कि पेट भरा होता है, दाई इंतज़ार कराता है कि अभी से बच्चा हो जाएगा, अभी से बच्चा हो जाएगा, बच्चे का वक्त निकलेगा। जब बच्चे का वक्त निकल जाता है, बच्चों को पानी गंदा चले जाता है, बच्चा ऐसे एक्सपायर हो जाता है।
There are no maternity hospitals in Redi Goat. Mothers also do not have access to good antenatal care, and they do not have access to a nutritious diet. This leads to severe malnutrition in their infants, and they become vulnerable to infectious diseases because they have weak immune systems. The Kapleau Children's Prize will transform the lives of children living in Redi Goat through the implementation of 5 very simple but key interventions to save children's lives. These are antenatal care and birth preparedness counseling, access to skilled birth at hospital or home through midwives, nutritional supplementation for pregnant women, enhanced primary health care with micronutrient supplementation for children, and ensuring that all children receive life-saving vaccines. We estimate that the Kapleau Children's Prize will save the lives of 2/3 of children currently dying in Redi Goat by 2 years and 70% by 3 years. That's the difference we'll make together.